Good morning po. I am drinking my coffee and I was reading the notes about yung paggamit ng panties and paggamit ng diapers. Marami po kasi I didn't have the time to check on the comments and napansin ko yung iba, talagang ipinagpipilitan nila dapat diapers. Gusto kong sabihin, talagang kinakailangan matuto kayo ng language of dementia. You know, the use of diapers is actually dependent on the stage or level of the dementia. Usually, ang pagsasabi mo ng diapers na uuupindi sila on the first stages of dementia. Kasi may isip pa sila, may dignidad pa yan. They still care. Maybe on the late stage, they don't care anymore. Kasi hindi nila naiintindihan na bakit kinakailangan mong maglagay ng underpads or panties. But dun sa mga may alam pa, at saka nakakaintindi pa, pag sinabi mo, magsuot ka na ng diapers, ibang baby yun. Ikaw kaya ang lumagay sa kalagayan nila at naiintindihan mo at here comes your caregiver. Medyo syempre nahihiya ka na kasi may incontinence ka na kaya ka nga gumagamit. Hindi ba may insulto ka? Kasi these people are treating you like babies. So, how do we call it in different parts of the world? It's actually okay lang, pads, briefs, everything. But you just have to listen how are they reacting to diapers. That's the reason po that some people, you have to really learn the language of seniors and dementia. Huwag nyo pong ipilit kung ano po yung, alam nyo, this one works. So, you have to check kung ano po yung bumabagay sa pandinig nila because this is not the textbook case of just calling it diapers. Let's call it in a way where they are comfortable. Tignan nyo muna po kasi wala po tayong masasabing kailan mo sasabihin yon. Just look at what stage is the confusion. Kung naiintindihan mo ang dementia nasa, kung meron pa silang isip, or it's how they will react. Always, what's the gauge? Put yourself in their shoes. Ikaw ba gusto mong sabihin nagda-diaper ka? And you are an accomplished adult and you are in pain. You are having all of these things and here's your caregiver telling you need to have your diaper. Yun lang po. Good morning at tatapusin ko ang aking kape.